The OnePlus 5 is simply stellar. It delivers a grade A experience and nearly all the specs you demand in a flagship phone for hundreds of dollars less than the Samsung Galaxy S8, Google Pixel and Apple iPhone 7. This is the fourth major phone from Chinese phone maker OnePlus, which has earned a reputation for creating cheap, quality Android phones that undercut the competition. While OnePlus doesn't have the volume or pure brand clout as Samsung, Apple and even Huawei, it has garnered a loyal following through flash sales and word-of-mouth recommendations. The OnePlus 5 excels at serving high-performing hardware, like the latest Snapdragon chipset and an enduring, fast-charging battery. It's also on trend with a dual-lens rear camera that takes artsy portraits and can hold its own against the iPhone 7 Plus. But it doesn't have super slim bezels or the water-resistant body that so many top-tier phones do. And its price, while still hundreds less than its top-tier competitors, inches closer to them than years past due to its more expensive features. As a result, the phone isn't quite the deal it once was. But, rest assured, the trade-off is more than fair. Pricing and where to buy. The OnePlus 5 will come in two storage capacity variants. Both have no expandable storage, and you'll need to buy direct and unlocked, since it's not available through major carriers. It will also only work on GSM networks, like AT&T and T-Mobile in the US, and not Verizon and Sprint. There will be an online early drop sale the day of its announcement on June 20th. The day after, on June 21st, OnePlus will host one-day pop-up shops for the phone in London, Berlin, Paris, Amsterdam, Helsinki and Copenhagen. Finally, on June 27th, the device will be available globally on its site for open online purchase.